Hello, Bill and Dave's Landscape Maintenance Company. Thank you for giving us the green lights to send this video to you guys. My name is Eddie Medina and I work with Boundless SEO. And yes, we are a digital marketing agency. I was doing some research in your area and I came across your company's website and decided to contact you. I figured I'll shoot a quick video to give you 3 tips on how you can improve your website and beat out your competition online. Now, I don't want to waste too much of your time, so I'll keep this super short. If by the end of this video you are interested in our strategies, please give me a call so we can further chat. If not, no harm, no foul. You can take this video as educational and try it yourself. Just be very careful if you do. Also, if you are already working with an SEO agency, this video will show you what you have going in the background and also comparing it with one of your competitors online. All right, let's get into it. The 3 things I like to go over is your content, backlinks, and citation. Looks like this is your website here. This is a good website, I admit. The colors are soft in the eyes, of course. The navigation is fairly simple. I did notice you can't click on the phone number here. This is a bonus for an end user to have. You know, even if you're on mobile, that'll make it easier for them. Everything else looks good. This is a good website. Typically, you want to see around 1,500 words of content. This will, of course, improve relevance to the services that you offer and the level of trust inside of Google for a better ranking. In that 1,500 words of content, you really want to start inserting keywords organically without any stuffing. Just keep in mind, Google needs to see the keywords on your page, and these keywords must be visible to your users. The easy approach is to either create content around your keyword or naturally wave your keywords into the page. Any attempt to, go bonkers with your keywords will look horrible and may set off spam filters in your search engines. You want to be careful on that. Just use keywords naturally throughout the content. Repeating your keywords once or twice is more than enough. So to sum up, again, you don't have a lot of content here, although it's still a good website. And I'll show you what's going on in the background. This is Ahrefs. This is a paid tool that we use. You could, of course, go to the Ahrefs website if you don't mind paying for it. This is a good tool to, monitor what you have going in the background. The keywords here, very important. Looks like you have 333 going on the website, on the entire website, on every page. Organically, you're getting 373 last month of traffic, which is not bad. It's just important for the correct keywords to have on your content. It makes no sense if someone on the other side of the country is looking for your services around your area and you pop out on their search engine. That's really not what we're trying to do here. So you might want to go a little bit more specific on the keywords, like landscaping, Orange County, California. That's where you want to pop up. Referring domains 54, backlinks 203. DR7 and you currently have nothing going for you, which is relevant to the backlinks here. Punching in your website, this is what you have going. The second thing I like to make you aware of is backlinks. When you think of the web, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another. Well, a backlink is just that. So it's a website that's sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. Please be aware, though, that not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with your industry or services, this can actually hurt your website. Backlinks are your URL level here. Again, attached with the backlink section here. So that's a little bit of a alarm here. The third and final thing I want to talk about is citations. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. A directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. I'm sure you're familiar with at least one of those platforms. Any one of those websites out there that allows business owners to list business information and services to create a new avenue for people to reach them for their services. That is pretty much what a citation is. Finally, if a website is lacking keywords, backlinks, and citations, that site is not really gaining any boost, which of course leads to missing out on opportunities. I do see traffic here, which is great. There is a small decline going here for some reason. I'm not sure why. It's just a little bit of an alarm here. Going on to your competitor, looks like OC Landscaping Pros. This is on the first page of Google, as you can see. They do have a lot of content going here in the home page. It's a good website also, but as you can see, kind of beats out your content, unfortunately. The navigation is good. Everything seems to be working just fine. In their background, look at what they have. They have 312 keywords. You have, I believe, was 333. Here you go. They do have 236 referring domains. These falls under the citation section. Backlinks 902. Their UR level is 41. Their DR level is 39. The DR refers to the referring domains, which are citations. And again, backlinks refer to the UR. You want to keep these two at a 1-to-1 ratio, which they're fairly close, 41 and 39. So they are in the first page of Google with traffic going onto the website over 600. Again, people jumping onto the website. So this is where you want to be. They're at a steady motion here. This is a good sign. They're going up, but a small decrease here, but they are going a little bit up. So this is what you pretty much want to have. Hopefully this has been informative and educational for you. I was told Tyler would be the correct person to watch this. So Mr. Tyler, I hope you're watching. I really hope you got a lot out of this. If you need more information or have any questions, please give me a call, text, or send me an email. We're here for you. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.